Good morning, friends. Welcome to Tech System Software Solution. My name is Viren Vengama, and this is the third tutorial about Siemens product overview. In first tutorial, we will discuss about automation. In second tutorial, we will discuss about PLC, and this is the third tutorial. We will discuss about Siemens product overview. Why this slide I have prepared for you? Because our mostly class conduct on Siemens product based on the Siemens product. So definitely before learning the Siemens, you know exactly the about Siemens product and also which software and which license is required for different software. So then I will share this slide for you. So let's start Siemens product overview. Okay. Now first, the positioning of the modular S7 controller. So in Siemens PLC, there are many different types of controller are there based on your suitable application and as per your requirement. Different features are available in the different PLC. So you suit based on your application which PLC is best for you. So we are going to down to upside. So is the very lower side. First PLC is the logo PLC. Logo PLC limitation is the IO capacity, IO handling capacity means input and output handling capacity is very low, and also in this is a new version launched by Siemens Logo 8. Before the all the series we cannot connect HMI with this series, but in latest version this option are there, and also before some special cable used for uploading and downloading, and the Logo 8 version Siemens provide the LAN option, so it is good for you if you use Logo PLC, and special software used for only Logo PLC is Logo Soft. The next series is S7200 Smart PLC. This series also is a compact and modular series, and this is also providing the onboard two option for communication. One is a profile. This one is also RS4854 and other option LAN. LAN is the common protocol in all the series of the PLC, mostly. So it is widely used in the small scale industries and also machine and also in some plant. Now next is the S7200 PLC. Yes, if you use S7200 Smart PLC, then you need one special software only for 200 Smart is the Micromin Smart. And the next series is S7200 PLC. S7200 PLC is also a compact modular series PLC, and we will conduct the lecture in also S71200 and S7300 because S71200 PLC is configured in TIA, means totally integrated automation, and I will conduct all the classes in TI portal and also Semantic Manager. So definitely we will discuss on TI portal in S71200 PLC about S1200 PLC. So it is also very compact PLC, and also some features are very interesting for, and you need the more features with different types of the features are available. So you just read the data sheet of the 1200 PLC. It's lots of difference between S7 1200 and S7 200. Yes, both are same as a PLC. IO handling capacities is different, and also internal software features are some different. So it is many things for different. Now the next version is the S7 1500. It's the upgrade version of the S7 1200, and this is the inbuilt. You just see there is a display here, and here no any display. So it is a blind. If any fault is occur, so yes, you just see the error LED and go to the software and open the diagnostic. And here the display are there, means in case any fault in occur in inside the any modules, you just see the directly in display. This is a very unique features, and this feature is not provided by all the PLC, and it is also used for process plant and manufacturing units and also machine, and it's also compact modular series. The next version is S7300 PLC. This series is widely used in all the plant and process industries. This is the very precision work and very interesting PLC, and this features of this PLC, it is really super. If you are the start the PLC learning, so you just compare the all this series. What is the difference between 1200 and the 300 and 200 and 300? you can understand why we have preferred 300 first. And this is the boss of all the PLC, S7400 PLC. This PLC we have used specially in DCS application, distributed control system application. If you have designed your plant DCS system, use DCS system. So in this case, we have used Siemens, the only one option for the DCS controller as the S7400 PLC, and other all the options you have used as a slave, but your master DCS is S7400. So this is the main PLC S7400, next S7300, and downgrade S71500, S7200, S71200, and also logo PLC. Now schematic S7 PLC modules. So this is the rack, and you just see this one is your CPU in this area only. This is your PLC, and totally your modules, different 4 types of module. First, it is a CPU. I already show you. This is the CPU. Second one is the signal module. Signal module means in onboard input and output are limited. So in this case, you have need more input and output. So in this case, we have used this signal module. This is the signal module. This 1, 2, and 3. So this is the signal module. And next is the communication module. So you just see here it is a LAN port, means only Profinet and LAN option are there, but you need the other protocol like as a Profibus and Modbus. So in this case, you need the external communication card, and you just see this 2 has a external communication card, and the last as a signal board. And in the central of the CPU, you insert the one card. This board as a signal board means you need only one single input and one output as a digital analog. So in this case, you do not purchase any signal module and communication module. You just directly purchase signal board. So it is very cheap as compared to your signal module and communication module. So basically in 1200 series, 4 different types of module for CPU, signal module, communication module, and signal board. And always remember, your PLC in center, your signal module is connected in right side of the PLC, and your communication module is connected your left side, and signal board always connected in front of the CPU. It is a fixed pattern of 1200 series PLC. You could not insert communication module in right side. So this is the communication module, and this is signal module, DIDO, and this is the combination of digital input, digital output, analog input, analog output, and this is the optional signal communication and the battery board. This is your CPU, and this is the communication processor or communication module. Somebody is called CM and someone is called as a CP, but both are same. And this is the different types of modules are there for communication: point to point, RS232, RS485, Profibus, ASI, and GPRS. And also some limitation are there. Maximum you have used 3 modules, and maximum you have 8 signal modules, but it is depending on your PLC, which PLC you have select. I show you in later our software. Now is the memory card. So in memory card, you just see description. First one is the serial number of the SD card. Second is the product version. Third is the order number. Means you need this card, you mention this number, which model number is we call as a MLFB number. 4 is the card size, and the 5 the slide switch write protection. This switch is the same as we have used in our micro card. If you log, so do not transfer any data, and you open the log, data can be transferred. And write and read means commercially available SD card reader, how to data transfer to in memory card program. So using the card reader. And second, the field PG. Field PG means your Siemens laptop. Siemens provides the specially laptop for field programming and related to software work. So we call Siemens give the name is PG. We call field PG. So schematic memory card in S71200. So which purpose we have used? The load memory extension, distributed of programs, firmware update, documentation, and unlike DBs, and module exchange without PG means in if one PLC is running and you just upload the data from this PLC to memory card, and right now your memory card in program mode. So if same other PLC are working in same atmosphere, but some problem is occur and you need to download again, in this case you need one laptop and also software is available and download process is required. But if you have memory card, so in this case you skip all these steps, directly just insert this memory card in the 1200 series PLC and just switch off the power off and just power on. Automatically all the data of memory card transfer to your PLC program memory. So it is very unique features and it's very useful. Schematic memory card in the S7 1500, the load memory as a firmware update, documentation, memory card binding, and the unlike DB and archive of the data. Unlike DBs means DB is the one type of the memory data block, means you not use every time this memory. So this memory you can transfer in your memory card, means your load memory, your PLC load memory consumption is reduced in this case. Now schematic S7 300 PLC. So this is the rack of a schematic S7 300 PLC, and which different types of modules are there, we will discuss. So first one is the PS. PS is the optional, means it is a power supply module. CPU, so this portion is the CPU. Third is the IM interface module. Why we have used interface module? Because in one PLC, your 300 PLC, one PLC communicate with three other rack, means this is the one rack. Okay, if you need more, the limitation is you have used maximum 11 modules. So in this case you need extra modules, so definitely you purchase PLC. But no, in 300 series it is not required. You just purchase the one IM module and design your second rack, and in first portion, in first rack, you just insert the IM module and connect your all your signal modules and just interface your first rack IM module and the second rack IM module. This range of input and output is extended. Other modules are same: digital input, digital output, analog input, analog output, and communication module, and also some function module. But here you just see the sequence is fixed. You have connect all the modules in CPU right side. Do not connect any one module in left side. In CPU left side only power supply option are modules are there. You could not insert any other module. All the modules are connected in right side.